This is really annoying, and it's getting on my last nerves. All these calls from Nigeria, both from people that I know, the ones that I don't know. They're calling me on Facebook Messenger, calling me on WhatsApp. If I don't answer, they keep calling like I'm owing them. I don't owe you guys nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm not owing any bagger. You guys kept calling because you want to tell me you're in lockdown, you're hungry. Apparently, none of you is listening to the news, you know. I want you all to do me a favor, even if there is no light, for you to listen to the news. Pick up your radio. This same phone that you're using to call me, you're wasting your minutes and your data to call me. Play radio there. Hear world news. I'm in New York. Okay? New York, coronavirus is killing people like chicken. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. I've received almost 15 calls already about hunger and lockdown. For almost 2 months, I've been in my house. I had coronavirus. I had coronavirus for 6 weeks. I was rolling, thinking it's the end of my life. But God saw me through with prayer and every medication. Name it. I even had alabukun. The thing expired since 2017. I didn't care. I was taking it just to survive. Because I don't want my daughter to be motherless. I'm inside the house. I can't walk. I cannot go out to work. My job is shut down. Since the beginning of March, we shut down my job. There's no pay. In America, there's nothing that is free. You don't work, you don't get paid. Like I said, it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. On the news, about 500 and something people died already. This is 1:30 in the afternoon. So by 6 p.m., you can imagine what the number will look like. I'm even explaining. The saliva in my mouth is all dried up. Oh, I'm in lockdown too. They were telling, Nabi, so you were there abroad? Dummies. Dummies. I'm sick of it. Stop. You guys really need to stop. Some of them I don't even know. Some of you I don't know. Oh, I'm your mother's sister's daughter. I'm your father's brother's uncle. What has that got to do with me, for crying out loud? How do we know when we can go back to work or socialize? Listen, enough. This is not joke anymore. I'm not explaining to nobody anymore. I've decided to do this video so it can get into your brain. Obviously, your brain is at the back. You don't know what's going on in the world. Somebody needs to beat it and bring it back to the front so you can think right. In New York City, corona is killing people like chicken. Dead. Baka. They remove you. Next. Throwing them inside the trailer to go and do mass burial. And you guys are complaining? Nigeria, there's a corona? No. Corona that is coming, is on transit. Waiting. They say 4 hours transit is waiting. So that you can board the next flight and land in Nigeria. Then you guys will know what corona is. Oh, sister, I hear they gave you guys money, 1,200. Really? Really? The 1,200, they didn't tell you guys is a loan, no? It's a loan. And if you did not work, file tax, you're not getting it. And if you did get it, you're going to pay it back. When you file your tax next year, 2021, you're going to pay it back. During George Bush, they gave people $300. Some people got $600. The following year, they pay the money back. You're paying it back. It's a loan. America don't give you free money. For what now? They win lotto. They win lottery where they want to dash people money. Eh? They're going to pay you back. You're going to pay them back their money. It's not free. Get it to your head. Get it to your head and your brain. So let's assume they even gave me the $1,200. My rent is almost $2,000 a month. I live in New York City. Those people that have called me already and sent me messages, if they say, okay, let me use the 1,200, let me share it to you people. Make us share it for now.
A problem.